Good morning, students. In the series of flower description for the practical purpose for MSc Botany Semester 3, paper 13, that is taxonomy of angiosperms. Today we will discuss flower description belonging to family Cucurbitaceae, that is Coccinia cordifolia. Coccinia belongs to family Cucurbitaceae. So first we describe salient features of family Cucurbitaceae or Cucurbita family. In India, this family is represented by 25 genera and approximately 86 species. Prostrate or scandent herbs bearing tendrils of uncertain morphology. These are tendrils of uncertain morphology, leaves cordate or palmately lobed, flowers monoecious or less commonly dioecious. Regular pentamerous with reduction of pistil to 3. Stamens sometimes indefinite. Ovary inferior trilocular with parietal placentation. And fruit is commonly pepo. Now we come to the genus that we are going to describe is Coccinia cordifolia. It is annual climbing herb. Root is taproot branched. Stem is herbaceous weak because it is prostrate. Stem is weak. Green cylindrical solid. Angular. This is angular stem. Branched tendril climber. Leaf is simple alternate X-stipulate petiolate leaf, palmate, cordate, margin dentate. We can see this is dentate margin. Apex mucronate. Leaf apex is mucronate or acute and multicostate reticulate venation. So this is description of leaf. It is simple alternate X-stipulate, no stipule, petiolate, palmate, cordate, margin dentate, apex mucronate or acute and multicostate reticulate venation. Inflorescence is solitary axillary. Inflorescence is solitary axillary. Now flower. Flower is abracteate but sometimes it is bracteate. Pedicellate. This is pedicel. Pedicellate. Incomplete. Why it is incomplete? Because it is unisexual. Actinomorphic. Pentamerous. Female flowers are epigynous. The diagrammatic representation of the Coccinia. Now male flower. This is male flower. Calyx sepals 5. Gamosepalous. Green volvate. Sometimes polysepalous with slightly basally connate sepals. So there is variation. It is gamosepalous. More or less it is gamosepalous. Corolla petals 5. Gamopetalous. white, bell-shaped, and estivation is volvate. This is male flower. Gamu. Androecium, stamens 5, synandrous, appearing as if 3 stamens out of 5 stamens, 4 are fused in 2 groups of 2 each, appearing tetrathecous, and the fifth one is free. One term is there, that is synandrous. Synandrous means stamens united throughout their whole length by both the filaments and the anther. Filament and anther are united throughout their length. Then the term synandrous comes. They are basifixed, extrodes and coiled. Here when we draw floral diagram, then we see this. This is LS male flower. We described here that 5 stamens, they are synandrous and appearing as if 3 stamens, these are appearing as 3 stamens. Out of 5, 4 are fused, 2 plus 2 and 1 is free. And gynoecium is absent in this male flower. Now we come to the female flower. Calyx same as male flower, that is 5 and gamosepalous green volvate. And corolla same as male flower, that is petals 5, gamopetalous white and bell-shaped and volvate estivation. Androecium absent here. Sometimes 3 staminodes present. Here these are seen in the floral diagram of female flower, 3 staminodes. Gynoecium is tricarpellary. Yes, ovary. It is syncarpous, inferior, unilocular but rarely trilocular. Many ovules arranged in parietal placentation. This is parietal placentation. Style terminate into 3-folded stigma. This is LS male, female flower. This is style, this is stigma, and this is inferior ovary. Fruit is pepo. Now comes floral formula. Floral formulae. Male flower abracteate, actinomorphic, male K5, gamosepalous C5, gamopetalous, androecium 2 plus 2 plus 1 and gynoecium 0. Now female flower ebracteate, actinomorphic, female flower K5 C5 as in male flower, A3 or A0 begins or staminodes, and gynoecium tricarpellary, syncarpous and ovary inferior. So this is the description of coccinea. Now we come to the identification and systematic position. An angiosperm seeds enclosed within the ovary wall. When it comes to the dicotyledonous, pentamerous flower, reticulate venation. When it comes to the polypetally, petals free. Then calyciflory, cup-shaped thalamus and inferior ovary. Now come the new order passiflorales. In passiflorales, plants having tendrils and inferior ovary, and when plant is with tendril climber, palmately lobed leaves and parietal placentation, these are the characters of cucurbitaceae, and white flowers are coccinea cordifolia. So this is the description of coccinea cordifolia belonging to the family cucurbitaceae. It is very much of economic importance. This family is, and when we go to the Coccinia cordifolia, its fruits are edible and used as vegetable. Juice of leaves and roots is used against diabetes. Leaves are also used in skin infections. So all parts of this plant are economically important. Fruit, leaves, roots, all plant parts are economically important. So this is all about family Cucurbitaceae and genus Coccinia cordifolia.